morning mga kabas! Welcome to another vlog and we are here at Mabinay Spring, Mabinay Negros Oriental. So we actually have an activity here, but we will tour you to Mabinay Spring. Pero ngayon medyo maulan kaya walang masyadong tao and medyo hindi clear yung tubig if you can see. Okay, dahil yan sa ulan. But again, for those wanting to have a family vacation, a staycation, or just a place to relax, Mabinay Spring is for you. Guys, so maglibot-libot na dito sa Mabinay Spring, guys. But first, walk option for you to stay. So if you want to stay as a group, then we have the big houses there that will accommodate 8 to 10 people. This is more or less good for family groups. So I guess we have one there, and then here the other one, then 3, and then I guess the fourth one is here near the lagoon. Okay, so if you want also to have a seminar, you can also rent and use their pavilion. Okay, so that's the pavilion here. That's the pavilion. Okay, that's the pavilion. All right. So I had an early walk around Mabinay Spring. We checked the lagoon. I think the lagoon is not that nice to swim at. So balik tayo sa poolside. So we have two We have two parts of the Mabinay Spring. First is the lagoon side. Makikita yan after you enter, no, the main entrance of the Mabinay Spring. And then second is papunta tayo ngayon sa spring. Sa poolside wherein meron swimming pool doon. Na may pambata, may jacuzzi. Siguro ngayon may bagyo kaya sa banyo na lang tayo. Sa banyo pool. Okay, so it's very nice to see, you know, Mabinay Spring with the luscious of trees. I saw, you know, kanina some migratory birds. Hindi ko lang talaga na-capture kasi nga pumurahin na tong camera natin kasi ito lang ito lang ang nadala ko kasi nga we had an activity here in Mabinay and I was not expecting that, you know, makaka-vlog ako, no. Matagal na rin na hindi ako nakapag-vlog for those places na pinuntahan ko. Of course, to showcase na merong mga tourist attraction dito sa Negros Oriental. So this is the entrance of the poolside. So tara, let's go. Badz, ito yung ulan, no? Siguro dala ng ulan nagkaroon na rin siya ng medyo madaming tubig, no? Para na rin siyang nagiging stream of water, no? Papunta yan dun sa kabila, no? So Mabinay Spring is expanding, no? Yung last na pagpunta ko dito, I think that was 4 years ago. Poolside lang, wala pa yung tatlong cottages, no? At yung pool lang, at wala pa rin itong wellness building. Ito yung sinasawag nilang wellness building wherein magkakaroon dyan, before yung wala pa daw pandemic, meron dyang massage spa and so on, manicure, pedicure, okay, to help those of course small time masseurs and beauticians of Mabinay. So ito, okay, kita ko, no. Okay, this is Mabinay Spring. At sa ngayon, nilinis nila yung pool, no. So early morning clean up of the pool of Mabinay. So again, okay, so let's go back to our room, no. Hanggang walking lang tayo, guys, kasi nga maginaw at medyo hindi fit kung mag early morning swim tayo. So we are staying there dyan, okay, with my colleague and this one also, okay. And that's Reynold Kasikaran, our host, mga kabadz, yun, early morning smoke. Okay, guys, so tara, bye. Hey guys, I was also informed that inside the Mabinay Spring is the LGU's emergency operation center for disaster, no, and of course sa pandemic. So ito yon pala. So I'll let you see, it's open, of course. We have, no, to yun nga, maganda yung tagline nila, guys, no. Go, God bless Mabinay, God bless Philippines, God bless the world, heal our land. Yun. So walang tao. So ito, very nice. Ito yung operation center ng Mabinay, kasi ang pandemic, yun nga. So dito makikita kung sino yung mga COVID-19 incident management team nila, and yung map, and of course yung mga um, map ng barangay. Yun. Yun na po. Bye-bye.